This is the most excellent Korean street food. Egg bread. Got egg bread here. Cheesy egg bread. Amazing. 계란빵 하나 주세요. Wow. Oops. 감사합니다. Look at that. Put it here next to the other ones sizzling away. So this is simply like a little piece of bread and it's got one egg inside as well. And this one's a little bit special because it's got cheese in as well, which is pretty cool. 2001 for one piece, so pretty good deal. A nice little snack if you're here in Seoul. Okay, let's give it a little taste test. It's like sweet and cakey inside.